When bringing your boat into Insinc Marine for service or repairs, our drive-through drop-off area is nice and easy. Drive in through the left entry gate across from Marini Road and park up in front of the building. Then come on inside and meet Gary or one of the team, and we'll do up the job card and discuss the work being done on your vessel. We'll then give you a hand to unhook and you can get on with your day. Once the work is completed, we'll give you a call and let you know it's ready to go. We look forward to seeing you here soon.